Vitragai.
Namo Vitragai.
Namo Arihantanam.
Namo Arihantanam.
Namo Siddhanam.
Namo Siddhanam.
Namo Ayariyanam.
Namo Ariyanam.
Namo Vajjayanam.
Namo Vajjayanam.
Namo Loe Sauva Sahunam.
Namo Loe Sarva
Eso Panchana Mukkaro. Sauva Vappanasano. Mangalanam cha Sauvesim. Padamam Havai Mangalam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Jai Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.
Good. Thank you. Okay. Last time, Konratu, who was there last time? Raise your hand. Last Sunday, Konratu. Okay. આપણે શેના વિશે વાત કરી હતી શ્રેયા? લાસ્ટ સન્ડે કોની વાત કરી હતી આપણે? કોને ખબર છે? શિવાની સાનીને ખબર છે?
Yes.
Okay. શું વાત કોની વાત કરી હતી?
Shivani.
Oh, very good. શું વાત કરી હતી દીપકાનંદજીએ શિવાનીની?
She worked hard on a project to make it. She broke her project and she wanted to kick the boy because she didn't like it.
Okay, go ahead, Shivani.
Yeah. So, and then the boy gave her his project.
Very good. So, આમાંથી આપણે શું શીખવાનું છે? What did you learn from there? Yeah, wait. Before, when a Shivaniનો project પડી ગયો નીચે, when it fell down, how did she feel?
She felt sad and mad
She felt bad.
at the same time.
Krupa, what's your answer?
My answer is she felt sad and bad at the same time.
Yeah, but then she instantly, and it kharab lagyu, but then what happened immediately after that? What did she realize? That she is Dada's daughter, right?
She realized that getting mad isn't necessary.
Yeah.
So little Leon offered her his project, but she didn't want it. Then she said, "We can work on my project together."
Yeah. Why did she realize that? Because she, કયું knowledge હતું એની પાસે? કોનું knowledge હતું?
Dada Bhagwan.
Hey, very good. So, આપણે બધા કોના children છીએ?
Dada Bhagwan.
Dada Bhagwan. Always think what Dada Bhagwan can do for you, okay? Good things. Dada Bhagwan can always do good things for you. Everybody agree? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thank you. Deepak Anandji, our children are very, very smart. They remember.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Great. Okay. So now we will try to draw our conclusion.
Deepakanji,
Keep
we
that
have to
away.
mix Gujarati and English, okay?
Okay.
So children is okay. આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં અને ઇંગ્લિશમાં બંનેમાં વાત કરીશું, okay? So everybody learn
No, but why Gujarati?
because Ved don't know Gujarati.
No, not because they don't know Gujarati, because Dada Bhagwan spoke Gujarati.
Oh.
Dada Bhagwan spoke in Gujarati. And just remember, whatever I am talking in English, even I did not know Gujarati when I first came to Dada Bhagwan. But now I can understand, I can speak, I can write. How do you like that?
Oh, good. So
And
Ved
apart from that,
ગુજરાતી બોલો.
I mean, I speak both. Apart from that, young kids, they learn faster or older ones. નાના છોકરાઓ વહેલું શીખે કે મોટા લોકો?
ના.
Come on. નાના જલ્દી શીખે કે મોટા?
Kids.
Kids. Yes. Nishta is learning Gujarati. So that's what kids learn faster. છોકરાઓ નાના છોકરાઓ જલ્દી શીખે. Like in your first 10 years of your age, which is the group age. That is the group age of the kids. Okay, who is talking? Kavan.
Kavan, tell your parents not to talk.
Or you go upstairs. Yeah. With great difficulty, we just get 45, half an hour. So we must use it better. So that is how, in the first 10 years, this is the age group of this group. You know, age limits of this group. તમે બધા 10 years na under છો ને? Yes or no? Yes. So in these 10 years, you can learn any language and any number of language. Okay?
Okay.
So keep yourself open. કે મારે ગુજરાતી શીખવું છે. Why? Because Dada Bhagwan was Gujarati. Hey, you guys are Gujarati or what?
Yes. Yes.
તમે બધા ગુજરાતી છો ને? See, Dada Bhagwan was Gujarati. So we have God who spoke Gujarati language. Bhagwan Gujarati language બોલ્યા. તો આપણે શીખવી જોઈએ ને, we must learn Gujarati. You just decide that I want to learn Gujarati and everything you will learn. So do you want to learn? તમારે ગુજરાતી શીખવું છે ને?
Yes.
Correct. Divya is also saying yes. Divya પણ હા કહે છે. Very good. Okay. So now we will go to that story. આપણે પેલી story પર જઈએ. Huh? Okay. Do you remember this picture?
Sir,
1 minute.
excuse me.
Wait, Idea, you haven't seen the picture yet.
I wasn't there the last class.
1 minute. Who was not there?
If you are not there, then we always put it on the website. So ask your parents, તમારા parents ને કહેજો કે તમારી સાથે બેસીને જોઈ લે, okay?
1 or 2. Who wasn't there?
Shivani, Mrs. Carmichael, and Lil Leon.
No, who was not there, I'm saying.
Oh.
1 or 2.
Oh. Whoops.
So, okay, never mind. Adya, we will just cover up quickly. So this is the story of Shivani, who goes to the school and her teacher gives them a project on planets, solar system, and she project આપેલો planets બનાવવાનો. She made the project, she brought it to school, but when the teacher told to put it on the table,
સ્પીકર માંથી બોલે તો
1 minute, wait, stop, mummy, 1 minute.
India hosts no good. No. Sugar,
1 minute. कहाँ गया है? પાયલબેન, પ્લીઝ ડોન્ટ ઇન્ટરપ્ટ. વચ્ચે નહીં આવશો પ્લીઝ. તમારે છોકરાઓને ખાલી એ વાત ના કરી જોવાનું, નહીં તો પછી મારે મ્યુટ કરવું પડે. You understand? Please. Okay. So Shivani brought the project. Shivani project school માં લાવી, but Leon just when she was about to put on the table, એ ટેબલ પર મૂકવા જતી હતી અને લિયોન નો ધક્કો વાગી ગયો, and the project dropped and broke. So Shivani was very upset. Project પડી ગયો અને શિવાની ને બહુ થયું, એ ગુસ્સે થઈ ગઈ લિયોન પર. એટલે એને વિચાર આવ્યો કે હું એને એક કિક મારું, પગમાં મારું એમ કરીને. અને એટલે so she felt that she was so mad, she wanted to kick Leon on her knees. પછી એને she realized કે oh, I am Dada's daughter, we are Dada's kids. Dada's kids don't do that. એને realize, એને ખબર પડી, યાદ આવ્યું કે અમે તો દાદાના kids છે, દાદાના છોકરાઓ છે, એટલે આપણાથી એવું કોઈને દુઃખ ના અપાય. We cannot hurt anyone. So she said never mind, and she said she started picking in a project ઉપાડવા લાગી. તો લિયોન પણ પછી એને અંદર એવું ફીલ થયું ને, એને અંદરથી ફીલ થયું કે મારે હર્ટ દુઃખ નહીં આપવું જોઈએ. She felt inside that she must not hurt Leon. So that itself changed the attitude of Leon, and Leon started helping her pick the project. અને જે અંદરથી એવું વિચાર આવ્યું ને કે મારે કોઈને દુઃખ નહીં આપવાનું, તો પછી વિચાર આવ્યો એટલે તરત લિયોન ને પણ અંદરથી ભાવ થયો કે હું આને મદદ કરું, હેલ્પ કરું. એટલે they both started picking up the project. અને પછી લિયોને કીધું કે okay, I will help you fix your project. Leon said that I will help you fix the project. So what is the conclusion? What
Question
is
from Kush.
1 minute.
Kush, question પૂછો.
આજે આપણે પદ નહીં ગાવાના?
ના, આજે નહીં, next week. Okay, go ahead, Deepakanji.
Okay. So what is the conclusion or the lesson learned from this lesson, from this story? What is the lesson we learned from this story? આપણને આ સ્ટોરી પરથી એના પરથી આપણને શું શીખવા મળે છે? Let us see that now quickly. Okay. So when I go through the picture, you will see. She explained that to the teacher. Teacher tells her to put on the table, and she gets mad. She wants to kick Leon. Leon was also upset with what he did. And એને શિવાનીને સોરી કીધું. Shivani felt. Okay, આગળ. So what is the conclusion? Leon told Shivani that he will be careful next time. So now what is the conclusion here?
અહીં આપણે words ઉપર હતા. We are on words. What words can do.
Yes. So our inner vow, oh Dada Bhagwan, give us that inner strength not to hurt anyone through our mind, speech and body. આપણે જે કહીએ છે, oh Dada Bhagwan, મારા મન વચન કાયાથી કોઈને પણ દુઃખ ન હો એવી શક્તિ મને આપો. So here the words we use, it can hurt or it can heal. Do you want to hurt others or you want to heal others?
Heal.
એટલે આપણા correct.
Heal.
That's very good. Perfect. આપણા શબ્દથી કોઈને દુઃખ ના થવું જોઈએ, કોઈને સારું થાય એવું આપણે કરવાનું. 1 minute, there's a question. 1 minute, hold on.
તો આમાં કોણ બોલે છે કે you are stupid? કોઈ બોલે છે?
No.
Nobody?
No.
Very good. કોઈ બોલે છે કે you are not good? Nobody?
Yes. Yes.
What are some words they use words at home which are negative?
Yes, that's what I'm trying to find out in the story.
Excuse me.
Yes.
What does numb mean?
What?
What does numb mean?
Numb means you lose the feeling of sense. You stop feeling anything. It's like when your hand goes numb, you don't feel anything in your hand. So it's like you don't understand. Everything becomes dark.
Shreya has a question.
Okay, Shreya.
Top Dada Bhagwan.
Come again.
Who is the top Dada Bhagwan?
What is it?
Who is the top Dada Bhagwan?
Top Dada Bhagwan.
I didn't get. What is it?
Who is the top Dada Bhagwan?
Top Dada Bhagwan? What does that mean? Top?
એટલે શું?
The first Dada Bhagwan.
First,
What is it?
Like who has more knowledge about Dada Bhagwan?
I'm not getting it. What is it? Knowledge about Dada Bhagwan?
no. Deepakanand ji કહે છે, who is the first Dada Bhagwan? Who has the knowledge of Dada Bhagwan? Who is the top Dada Bhagwan?
There's nothing like top Dada Bhagwan. Okay. Everyone is complete Dada Bhagwan, but inside, when you get mad and all that, then you don't realize and experience Dada Bhagwan. But Dada Bhagwan, his photo I will show you 1 minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Then there you are. Okay. Do you see this photo with 2 hands?
Yes.
You can say he is the top Dada Bhagwan. And beyond him is Simandar Swami on the top. Okay? Clear? Okay. So then everyone who got knowledge from Dada, they became, with that knowledge, they also became Dada Bhagwan. Otherwise, within everyone, every living being, Dada Bhagwan is there. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. એટલે બધાની અંદર દાદા ભગવાન છે. Okay, so we will see the words we use has a lot of effect on us and on others whom we use the word for. આપણે જેના માટે શબ્દ વાપરીએ તે પહેલા આપણે બોલીએ એટલે આપણને અસર થાય અને જેમને કહીએ તેમને પણ અસર થાય, એમને પણ વાગે. You understand?
Yeah.
Good. So આપણે પ્રે કરીએ છે ને કે દાદા ભગવાનને કે ઓ દાદા ભગવાન, give me that inner strength not to hurt anyone through our mind, speech and body. આપણે દાદાને પ્રાર્થના કરીએ છે કે મારા મન વચન કાયાથી કોઈને પણ દુઃખ ના હો. So that's how આપણાથી જ્યારે કોઈને હર્ટ થાય એવું બોલાય એટલે અંદર દાદા આપણને એલર્ટ કરે, દાદા આપણને યાદ કરાવે આ ખોટું થયું. So when you speak any harsh words that hurt others, then that inner Dada Bhagwan will alert us inside. Hey, this is something wrong you did. Do you understand? So we must use words that heal. આપણે એવા શબ્દ વાપરવાના કે બીજાને હેલ્પ થાય, બીજાને દુઃખ ના થાય, બીજાને સુખ થાય. ઓકે ઓકે
Okay. Okay.
ઓકે ચાલો આગળ જઈએ. Next then, okay, the first conclusion, usually no good occurs by getting angry or mad over anything. એ શું કહે છે? આપણે ગુસ્સે થઈએ કે આપણને ના ગમે તો ક્યારે પણ સારું ના થાય. Did you all understand?
Yes.
શિવાની ગુસ્સે થઈ હતી. Did she get mad?
Yes. Yes.
Did she get angry? Yes, she got angry on Leon. So that's what Dada says. If you get angry or mad or anything, nothing good can come out of that. આપણે કોઈને પર ગુસ્સે થઈએ for કોઈના પર બી કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ પર તો એ કોઈ દિવસ સારું ના થાય. Next. Did you all understand?
Yes. Yes.
Good. Good. Okay, next. Anger is weakness and not strength. ગુસ્સે થવું એ આપણી નબળાઈ છે, એ આપણી શક્તિ નથી. Anger comes because we don't pause and think or understand correctly. આપણને ગુસ્સો કેમ આવે? કારણ કે આપણે સ્લો નથી જતા, ધીમા નથી પડતા અને આપણે સમજતા નથી સાચી રીતે. સમજાયું?
Yes.
Did you all understand? Anger is weakness or strength?
Weakness.
Aishani, anger is weakness or strength?
Weakness.
Everyone agrees?
Weakness. Yes.
Everyone agrees anger is weakness
Yes.
Yes.
and not strength?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, next. So it is always wise to understand and see with Dadaji's vision and resolve or handle any situation without getting upset. શું કહે છે? કોઈ પણ પરિસ્થિતિમાં, કોઈ પણ સંજોગોમાં આપણે દાદાની સમજણથી રહીએ તો આપણું કામ બધું સારું થાય. તો આપણે ગુસ્સે ના થાય, આપણને અસર ના થાય. Okay, next. Even if there may be apparent loss of worldly things, but our gain in terms of inner happiness, harmony and inner strength is more valuable. કોઈ પણ સંજોગોમાં આપણને નુકસાન થાય, કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ તૂટી જાય તો એના કરતા આપણી અંદરનું સુખ, પછી આપણી એકબીજા જોડે ના સંબંધ, રિલેશન અને આપણી અંદરની શક્તિ એ વધારે મહત્વની છે. Okay, and the third one, and of course we don't wish to incur double loss, one loss of the event, another loss of getting mad, disturbed, hurting others and so on. આપણને બે નુકસાન ના જવું જોઈએ. એક તો આપણો સંજોગો જે હતો, આપણે બધા ભેગા થઈને જે પ્રોજેક્ટ બતાડવાનો હતો એ બધું બગડી જાય અને આપણે ગુસ્સે થઈએ એ બીજો, અને કારણ કે બીજાને દુઃખ થાય એટલે બે નુકસાન નહીં કરવાનું. ઓકે, સો ધેટ્સ ઇટ.
Very good, Deepak Anandji. હવે આપણો time થઈ ગયો છે એટલે we will do today sing Dadaji's Aarti, and Krupa and Nishtha will sing Dadaji's Aarti, okay?
Very good. Okay, let me.
Kush, next time your turn, okay?
Yes.
Should I put Dada's photo?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Mummy.
Okay, Krupa and Nishta, you can start.
Jaya Dada Bhagavan Dada Sangameshwara Bhagavan Arati Kari Jivatare Arati Kari Jivatare Prabhupada Jaya Dada Bhagavan Pragatati Bhuva Dada Kero Jagaprakashamana Kare Dada Jagaprakashamana Kare Jagakalyani Pragatya Apramadhanavata Jaya Dada Bhagavan Paraliya Dadami Tatapatare Sarvavastasamari Sarvavastasamari Sutta Majudachare Jaya Dada Bhagavan Biji Arati Datani Kevaradne Shankare Dada Kevaradne Shankare Pusayana Pusaya Jaya Pusayana Pusaya Jage Priyama Karata Jaya Dada Bhagavan Priji Arati Tatani Pami Dada Kevarajnana Pami Swasamvedana Shakti Swasamvedana Shakti Brahman Prakash Swayam Jaya Dada Bhagavan Jyoti Arati Tatani Adi Tatapatare Tatadi Tatapatare Jnana Jnana Binna Pedi Jnana Jnana Binna Pedi Swachare Dhanahe Jaya Dada Bhagavan Panchami Arati Tatani Kalyana Bhava Vave Tata Kalyana Bhava Vave Tiratankara Padapami Tiratankara Padapami Jaga Kalyana Kare Jaya Dada Bhagavan Dada Arati Keva Je Koi Gase Dada Je Koi Gase Ekakupami Dashti Ekakupami Dashti Tarana Tarana Tare Jaya Dada Bhagavan Jaya Dada Bhagavan Tata Sangameshwaya Bhagavan.
Very good. Okay. Actually, this is next week we will do pads. So tell your parents to send us who is going to sing pads tomorrow. Next Sunday, okay? Jai Sachidanand.
Okay.
Satchidanand.
Jai Satchidanand.